Amazfit Bip 3 Smartwatch for Android iPhone. The Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch is a cutting-edge health and fitness tracker designed for both Android and iPhone users. Packed with advanced features, this smartwatch offers a comprehensive health monitoring experience, a large, vibrant display, and an impressive battery life. 1.69 Large display, the Amazfit Bip 3 boasts a spacious 1.69-inch display that provides crisp and clear visuals. The large screen not only enhances the overall user experience, but also ensures that you can easily view your fitness data, notifications, and other information at a glance. 14-day battery life. One of the standout features of the Amazfit Bip 3 is its remarkable 14-day battery life. This long-lasting battery ensures that you can wear the smartwatch for an extended period without constantly worrying about recharging. Whether you're tracking your daily activities, monitoring your sleep, or using various sports modes, the Amazfit Bip 3 has you covered for an extended duration. 60+ sports modes. For fitness enthusiasts, the Amazfit Bip 3 offers over 60 sports modes, catering to a wide range of activities, whether you're into running, cycling, swimming, or more specialized workouts. This smartwatch can accurately track your performance, providing valuable insights to help you achieve your fitness goals. Blood oxygen and heart rate monitor. The health monitoring capabilities of the Amazfit Bip 3 include a blood oxygen monitor and a heart rate monitor. These features enable you to keep a close eye on your overall health, allowing you to make informed decisions about your fitness and well-being. 5 ATM. Water resistant. With a water resistance rating of 5 ATM atmospheres, the Amazfit Bip 3 is suitable for use in various water-based activities. You can confidently wear it while swimming, and it can withstand water pressure at a depth of up to 50